Introducing the Navigator Series from Pit Boss, an elite grilling experience ergonomically built to provide less strain and more usability. Designed for the modern handyman, the Navigator Series delivers unique features like a modular front-to-bottom folding shelf for optional shelf placement, reinforced support legs with an ergonomic-raised height, perfect for that powerful grilling stance, integrated upper cooking rack storage so the rack is always there when needed, and a sleek Onyx black design, sure to be the center of attention at any barbecue cookout. With incredible 8-in-1 cooking versatility and the robust flavor of 100% all-natural hardwood pellet fuel, the Pit Boss Navigator Series allows you to smoke, bake, braise, roast, grill, barbecue, char-grill, and of course sear. The external flame broiler lever allows complete control of direct heat up to 1,000 degrees. Heavy-duty construction, porcelain-coated cast iron grates, rear vent dampers, temperature range between 180 and 500 degrees, digital control board with meat probes, hopper sight glass and increased hopper capacity for longer cook times without refilling. And the first series to bring countertop height to your own backyard means you'll have all the tools necessary to navigate through any cook. 3 wood pellet grill sizes, 550, 850, and 1150, offer a range of available cooking space for a variety of needs. The 1230 combination grill offers dual fuel technology. Harness the flavor of wood and the convenience of gas with the added 3-burner gas grill on one side and the wood pellet smoker on the other. The damper lever feeds smoke from the pellet side into the gas side, perfect for cold smoking. Each unit in the Navigator Series comes with a custom-fitted cover to protect against the elements and proudly offers a best-in-class 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Wood-fired excellence with the Pit Boss Navigator Series.